Functional grammar, usage of time connectors, voiced and compiled by Nageswar Rao A, English teacher, Sri Prakash. As soon as, the moment, the instant, the time, immediately, at once, when, all the above mentioned phrases give the same meaning. Hence, we can rewrite these sentences without any change or addition of any word. The teacher entered the class. The students became silent. As soon as the teacher entered the class, the students became silent. The moment the teacher entered the class, the students became silent. The instant the teacher entered the class, the students became silent. The time the teacher entered the class, the students became silent. The teacher entered the class. Immediately, the students became silent. The teacher entered the class. At once, the students become silent. The teacher entered the class when the students became silent. When the teacher entered the class, the students became silent.